Today we're testing our equipment on minced chicken that has been reduced to a 3 mm fraction. We've only added salt, sugar, glucose and spices to taste. Once the sausages are shaped, they are put on a trolley into the drying chamber. This system forms meat snacks without an alginate casing. At the same time, 24 nozzles each 10 mm shape sausages without a casing. The productivity of this equipment depends on the speed of the tray feed. It's also very easy to shape jerky from minced meat in layers. The thickness is about 3 mm and the width can range from 100 to 200 mm. Then they're sliced. With equipment costing less than 10,000 euros, you have the ability to make local shellless snacks, up to 1,500 kilograms per 8-hour shift. The back cover opens and is filled to full volume. The electronic box is easily accessible. The removable hopper is easily installed on the spring-adjustable racks for tray stacking. The operator, using a button in his right hand, feeds the minced meat when the button is pressed. With his left hand, he pulls the tray under the nozzles. When the button is released, the minced meat supply stops abruptly. If there wasn't a remote control, but a classic pedal like on sausage stuffers, the operator would have a tough time pulling the tray with the attachments in an awkward position. The operator smoothly pulls the tray. He then cuts the minced meat with the tray using the nozzles. He takes a nozzle suitable for a mid-sized snack, adjusts, and produces layered and jerky products. The adjustable attachment can form jerky from minced meat. Also included are nozzles for sausages in a casing with a diameter of 25 to 35 mm. It clings to the top of the sausage stuffer and has a specially adjustable knee pedal for feeding. At the end of the cleaning shift, the nozzle is dismantled into two parts. Inside the tubes there remains no more than 700 grams of minced meat, which can be blown out under pressure with water or air. We usually collect the rest in a box, remove the hopper and roll the sausage stuffer to any cleaning station to wash the entire system directly with a Karcher, as it is waterproof. You can clean it right on the spot mentioned. Before beginning operations, lubricate the band with minced meat or food-grade lubricant. Nozzle attachments can be easily changed during operation by unscrewing the DN50 nut at the top. The overhead rack can be adjusted by unscrewing the 4 bolts. We raise it to a convenient height, broaden it to fit the width of your tray, and secure it. This way you save workshop space, eliminating the need for extra tables. When you press the button, the piston pushes the lid up and the hopper is removed. It is disconnected from the power supply, making it safe for a high-pressure wash. Unlike our standard sausage stuffers, this model is reinforced. The thickness of the full stainless steel piston cover is 25 mm plus reinforcements. You can find more videos on our channel. We have automatic systems with fully automated tray feeding to the conveyor and systems with automatic sausage cutting to a predetermined length where the operator manually places and retrieves the filled tray.